Tehillim 28, by David. To you, Yahuwah, I call. My rock, don't be deaf to me, lest, if you are silent to me, I would become like those who go down into the pit. Hear the voice of my petitions, when I cry to you, when I lift up my hands toward your most holy place. Don't draw me away with the wicked, with the workers of iniquity who speak peace with their neighbors, but mischief is in their hearts. Give them according to their work, and according to the wickedness of their doings. Give them according to the operation of their hands. Bring back on them what they deserve. Because they don't respect the works of Yahuwah, nor the operation of his hands, he will break them down and not build them up. Blessed be Yahuwah, because he has heard the voice of my petitions. Yahuwah is my strength and my shield. My heart has trusted in him, and I am helped. Therefore my heart greatly rejoices. With my song I will thank him. Yahuwah is their strength. He is a stronghold of Yeshua to his Mashiach. Save your people and bless your inheritance. Be their shepherd also, and bear them up forever.